guys, today we're going to give some shout-outs to people on Cat Game. And I'm going to show you how to get lots of points on the new equestrian event. So let's show you. Go on to Cat Game, of course. Okay, so these people want to talk to the video. So I'm going to say that I'm recording right now. Okay, said I'm recording now. He said, okay, of course, okay. So, said, do you want to say anything to you? She said, oop, ha! Sub YouTube. Sup YouTube. I might make a YouTube channel in the future. I want to make crazy games. Lol. Secret? He said, do you want to know the secret? Hello everyone, hope you enjoy this video. Sandy, you should do a review of Blackbird. You should... Yes, tell us, please. Okay. Basically, might be honest. Go to the crafting area. And then 40 to 50 of them. Craft the least expensive material over and over again until we have 40 or 50 of them. Can I speak to the viewers again? To be with. You speak to the... Okay, you can speak to the viewers. No, I'm just going to show you guys what I mean. Okay, so look. This is not expensive. It's the least expensive. Is this the... I guess wood is the least expensive. Craft some wood. Okay, now just need to craft so much wood. We need to craft all of the wood we can. Now I'm getting low on coins here, so I think that will be enough for now. I don't have enough gems, but tomorrow when I get some more gems for my VIP rewards, I can obviously spend some 30 gems on here, and then I'll be able to get spending and stuff. Ooh, just need 2 more. I'm not far from getting this cute horse. How many horses can I get? Is it that one? That's it. Ranks. Global. This is Sandy from the location. We are called Donju and Friends, a beautiful family. Please download Cat Game and join us. We have only 1 spot. Beautiful family. Really, show out showrooms to the viewers. Okay, so this is Bubble. This is Bubbles. This is her nickname, Bubbles. Congratulations for being on level 23 and earning 206 cats. That's quite a lot of cats. And I like your profile cat. And this is Sandy the cat. the leader on a higher level than me, and you guys know that I am on a really high level in cat game. So yeah, yeah, she's even better than me, and she has a really cool avatar. I think it looks so cute. Congratulations for owning 303 cats. Ooh, and Miggletons. Congratulations for being on level 30 and owning 343 cats. Wow, that's even higher than Sandy. Lol, sorry. Okay. I will show you guys a magic trick. Okay. I will show you guys a magic trick. Okay. Is it okay? See if... Because I want to see if this is really cool. To see. I'm going to say, wow, woo, ta-da, wow, woo. I know she just changed her profile. 1 minute, craft starts in like 1 minute. Haley, what's your channel's name? You guys all know this. I just quick change that up. Hello, bestie. Sometimes that happens. I want to subscribe. Hey, hello, bestie. Hi. She said she's going to sub. So. Yeah, oh yeah, the question is... Oh yeah, guys. Haley, hello there, is recording a video to post on YouTube. Yes. Girl. Yes, girl. Oh, would have finished. Excuse me? Bird kept scratching the fence. My new video have 300 views. It's private. How? Okay. How? Sorry. Sorry if I was being mean. How? If I was being mean. I'm the good. Okay. Okay, guys. So. Okay. Okay. Let's catch up on the news. Hello. I am the Cat Game News Reporter, and today we're going to be showing you some old news and recent news. If you missed this news, then you might not have the new version. Secret Basket and Club event, you would have had to update it to last version to get this. Then we have this event, which is already being. Everybody love this event. Congratulations if you've completed the sets. I haven't. Here's a new update that came out a couple months ago. If you haven't installed it, you need to do this now. Or else you will look like this brat cat. Here we have an event that's already been to. But here we have some cute pictures. Coral reef event. Okay, so yes, the coral reef basket event is going to be coming soon. And this is the event we're in right now. That's enough for Cat Game News. Someone said, yeety yeets. Yay. Ta 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 ta. I am a horse. Oh, cool. Sandy is now a horse. Why is she a horse? Why is Sandy now a horse? Sandy, I thought you were a cat, not a horse. Sandy, what happened? Yeet. Yeet the horse. I'm gonna say yeet the horse. Yeet the horse. No, you eat the horse now. So everybody's gonna eat the horse. Quick. Eatifs the horse. Oh yeah, you don't say I yeeted, you say yeetifs. Yeetifs the horse. She said, no, eat the horse now. I crafted 10 sparkles. Wee. She has a lot of coins and a lot of supplies. Let's watch an ad. If Munch, boom, drag to Munch. I already have for this game. I don't need this, and this is actually not what it's like at all. Like at all. Like it's nothing like this. Tomorrow, if we have any cat game news, I'm going to share it with you. But if we don't have any new news for you guys, we'll leave it till next week. I will go post my advertisement. I give up on 1 minute craft. Seriously? 1 minute craft. Seriously, 1 minute craft. I give up on 1 minute craft. 1 1 minute craft. Seriously, 1 minute craft. Return. return, space. Good, I'm crafting non-stop. Ooh. I am God. You said you are coins. Why? You said you are God. Look, gods, I am crafting non-stop. How are you, gods? How are you, God? How are you, gods? I never said that. Oh. How? God, I'm crafting non-stop. Crafting non-stop to gods. Or did you say you were crafting non-stop to God? Hold on, I'll go grab a snack. Okay. She's AFK now. She's AFK now. I'm an, oh my God. She said, God, I'm crafting non-stop. Everyone here is so silly. Everyone is so silly. Everyone here. But I love silly. Silly is in the middle of my name. Come on, please. We can make it to 30k. We can make it to 30k. Almost. Okay. Time to claim my new horse. I'm so excited. Oh, hi. Okay. I'm so excited. Let's go check out our horse. I'm just so excited. So excited to see this new floor. Oh, hello, horsies. Let's see. What should I call this one? Oops. Oh, he did good. I want to see what it looks like this. Okay. I'm thinking about calling it Cool Hair Dude. Well, you guys comment down below what you want me to name it, but for now we'll rename as No Name Cat. It's finished! Nicely done. Why is everyone here not stupid, but so crazy? Like what? I crafted some water. Cheesy. Now I can craft the decoration. That's easy. Whoa! Wow! She just got the salamander cat. The salamander? You so good. You so good. You so good. Not gods. Not gods. The salamander needs 4 water drops and 5 sparkles. Wow. Wow, she's the best player in the game. Level 28, almost on level 40. Only 2 more levels to go and she's on level 30. Oh, you guys are probably wondering about the new 4. I'll tell you where we get them. Worker. Oh, hi. Okay, I'm going to do the voices. Hi, gotta do some work. Whoa, this is heavy. Work, my hat. Surgeon. No. No. What? No. Time to do experiment. What was that? Oh, it's me, the chef. Yum, 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 yum. That is so yummy. That yummy in my tummy. Man, I ran out of coins. I'm about to, LOL. I'm trying just to make one thing at the time to save coins. I can hear Tom and Jerry's. I have crafted the aqua sword. Oh my gee. You are so good. How? How do you do? How do you do it? So good. How do you do it? Sandy the cat is so cool. And guys, if Sandy the cat, well, she might not be watching this right now, but if Sandy the cat is watching this, then I just want to let you know that you are awesome and you're so good at the game. And yeah, I know I said I was like 15 or something once, but I lied about my age because I wanted to meet nice people like you. And also, basically when I created this account, my mum used her age because you had to enter your age. I think you have to enter your age when you first start playing. So my mum entered my age for me, and she entered her age. And when it said join a club, and I was on a high enough level, and it said join a club, and I asked my mum what I should do because it said my age, and should I put my real age, or does it want me to put like someone else's age or something? She just decided to put in her age. So yeah. So I said that I was 15 because I know that you're supposed to be like 13 or over. So I just lied that I was 15, and really sorry that I lied to you, Sandy, and hope you can forgive me. I'm actually only 7. But I can't believe that you guys think that I act like I'm 15. Like, I said 15, you believed it, and then I do what I do, and then for some reason you think that I act like 15. Thank you for thinking I'm mature as a 15-year-old, or I'm just a stupid 15-year-old. That could be something. It's a bit heartbreaking. She's good, I can tell. I know you. So good. How do you do it? Like her. I know how she's so good. How do you be like her? Well, I need to go before the video gets too long. Hi guys. I am going back in like 1 second. No, I deleted. Okay. Okay, goodbye again.